Christ Enthroned Church, Crossworld, San Rafael, the sowers and reapers of the kingdom. Church history. CEC San Rafael is the realization of a vision of CEC Marilao. It was offshoot of the first Crossworld Mission Seminar held in May 16 to 20, 1994. CEC Marilao is committed to plant a church in San Rafael where most of the relatives and friends of Sister Christy Viola were living. After 1 month, Pastor Harry Manalo and the leaders of CEC Marilao visited Maroncillo and conducted a Bible study in the residence of Mr. Guillermo Viola. 4 months later, a fellowship was born and it was named San Rafael Evangelical Church. Later, it was called Full of Grace Christian Fellowship, and as it embraced the vision of Crossworld, it became CEC San Rafael. The church went through a lot of discouraging transitions. Their pastors and workers changed frequently. After Pastor Harry Manalo, there were other student pastors who helped them like Brother Bobet Villafuerte and Brother Buddy Montevergen. The place of worship was transferred from Maroncillo to Pulo in the house of Brother Lito and Sister Elna Dayao. After 2 years, the church went back to Maroncillo and is now located at Luwasan. Pastor Mar Aguilar and Pastor Lito Termulo ministered to them, but not for long. Pastor Joseph Victoria also had a short ministerial stint there. Such unpredictability almost dampened their spirits, but they never gave up. The turning point was when Pastor Terry Relox accepted the pastorate of CEC San Rafael in 2005. He inspired and mobilized the believers to do the ministry. The church that never grew beyond 15 members for the last 9 years broke through with more than 50 disciples. The youth ministry under Sir Randy Kabiling is growing tremendously. The church is now worshiping in a strategic location with air-conditioned sanctuary. They were able to acquire 500 square meter lot in front of Maroncillo National High School. CEC San Rafael never get tired of sowing, and in due time at last is now they are reaping.
Lagi ako sa isip mo. Dati-rati inaawitan pa, labi ay may ngiti, mga mata'y nagniningning. Ngunit ngayon nagbago ka. Nasaan na ang init ng pagsinta? Pangako mo'y hindi magwawakas. Diba't noon sa mayon ng bulaklak at ihip ng hangin ay kapansin-pansin. Diba't noon takbo ng oras ay di mo napapansin. Laging naglalambing, ngunit ngayon naglaho na. Sigla't tamis ng iyong pagsinta. Pagmamahal ko ba'y kailangan pa? Dati-rati mga pangako ko'y kandungan mo't lakas. Sa pagsubok ay kay tatag. Diba't noon sa kaibigan mo'y akong bukang bibig. Bakit ngayon'y anong lamig? Di mo alam, ako'y nasasaktan sa di pagpansin sa aking pagmamahal. Lumapit ka't ako'y naghihintay, naghihintay. Ako'y nasasaktan sa di pagpansin sa aking pagmamahal. Lumapit ka't ako'y naghihintay. Di mo alam, ako'y nasasaktan sa di pagpansin sa aking pagmamahal. Lumapit ka't ako'y naghihintay. Panginoon, ako'y nabulag ng mandarayang mundo. Ako ay patawarin mo. Mula ngayon, ang buhay kong ito'y iaalay sa'yo. Gamitin mo ako gaya ng dati. Gaya ng dati. Gaya ng dati.